Calibre 3DSTACK is the industry-leading solution for verifying 2.5 and 3D products. With Calibre 3DSTACK, you can catch costly errors early in the design cycle. It leverages the powerful and familiar Calibre nmDRC and nmLVS tools to perform physical verification within individual dies and across the entire package. You can build your 3D assembly directly from Innovator 3DIC or with the 3DSTACK Plus or 3D Blocks languages. Calibre 3DSTACK configuration files enable design reuse and easy scalability with intuitive scripting and built-in commands. Rule files for different 3D IC package technologies are readily available from all leading foundries. You can build your own rule checks with the extensive command library to check for issues such as pad alignment, orientation, and density amongst other standard checks. You can also easily identify and debug LVS errors with minimal user inputs. You can start running these checks early on in the flow with black box or complete white box data. Results can be viewed in the context of your layout data with Calibre RVE and Calibre DESIGNrev. You can back annotate results to Innovator 3DIC to perform additional debugging and fixing. Calibre 3DSTACK also exports the assembly and netlist data for integration with other multi-physics 3D IC tools. Check out our other 3D IC solutions on the Siemens EDA website for more information.